Joanne's video, and we talked about working on the notes that are on the Liberty song that we've been working on the first string with our licks that say like, what makes these things sound connected. And we had this exercise here, all down picks for, as far as long notes. Hold these down. Hold that finger down until you put that finger down. Otherwise, as soon as you release the pressure, I'll release the pressure on the second fret. And there's a harmonic ring in there somewhere. But notice. But as soon as I release that pressure, you're hanging on. It's hanging on. Release. Stops. All right. So we want to do those scales. These ones that do this. I want you to do long notes, so that we learn what keeping that pressure down on our finger. All right. And then we had 8th of January. And we had, I'm going to play it. I want you to play it all downstrokes and no hammers.
That's what I wrote over there. Work on without up, down, and no hammers.
Okay, now I'm going to play it a little faster so you'll hear it. Right. When you're playing it, we're just going to go. And then, just like we started to work on it on Liberty, so there's 8 notes, even if you took the first 4 and went. And that's 2, 0, 2, 5. And I started to tell you the 0, 2, 5 pattern is something that's used a lot in the mandolin. It's part of the pentatonic scale, which is used.
Pentatonic. What does that mean?
Pentatonic. Penta, P-E-N-T-A.
Okay.
From pentagram, pentagon, 5-sided building or 5-sided building.
Okay.
All right. Pentatonic, 5 tones. All right. And so you'll see a 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, 5. You'll see that a lot. And that's this song happens to be in the key of D. But I mean, if I wanted to do a pentatonic scale in the key of G. In the key of C. That's all using 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, 5 on the joining strings. So I'm just kind of pointing that out so that we know this is kind of an important song for that reason. We're going to start using a lot of 0, 2, and 5s on this. And there's fewer 4th fret things happening here. But there is in the B part, if you notice. I don't know if there is. There's 1 in the first ending. Huh? So, here's the first ending. 4 on the 3rd string, on the first ending of the A part. You're just doing the A part. So you look at that first ending. See, there's the 4 right there. Right there. See the 4? Not 4 on the 3rd string.
Here?
4 on the 3rd string.
I don't see a no 2 5 there.
No, but there's 5, 2. Oh, there's still a lot of 5, 0, and 2. 5. This is all 0, 2, and 5 stuff. And this is 5, 2, 0. Here's a 4. So basically, I'm just saying that that's going to be a pattern that we use a lot. And it's also a good pattern for you because you've been having some issues stretching that 3rd finger up to that 5th fret, right? So this would be a good song for that reason. There's that stretch. That's all that It'll all be a lot of 025, okay? That should work out well for you.
Okay. Are you recording all that?